Hi everybody, I just wanted to create a quick video to touch upon two key points for this week. One, going forward from module 4 discussion onwards, I wanted to make our discussion assignments a little bit multimodal in nature. So I want to give you guys an opportunity to work with different tools and see how they can be applicable in your own settings. So I've created this poll using polldaddy.com and I embedded it in our course shell. In case you're interested in working and creating polls for your own website, PollDaddy would be a good resource. So I just want to gauge your preference, whether you like to work with text-based discussion. Do you want more audio, video? Your poll or your voting will inform my selection of tools. So I would really appreciate if you guys can participate in this poll and help me select the tools for module 4 discussion onwards. The other thing that I wanted to show you here is that I have created a draft Padlet wall. We will not be using this for the discussion thread. This is just to give you an idea of how such tools like Padlet can be used for hosting discussion assignments. Padlet was earlier called Wallwisher, and it is a great tool depending on the topic of the discussion. For example, if students in your class are discussing about a book review, Padlet would be a great tool to host this discussion. To participate in discussion, you just have to double click on anywhere on the screen here, and you can respond through um, sound, then through video. You can attach a picture or a memo. I think the limit is 25 MB, the size limit. And but if your students are discussing like a book or a book review, they can attach the book cover. If they are discussing about travel, they can attach their photos and stuff like that. So again, I just wanted to show you how it works. It's a really cool tool, and we are not going to use this for this discussion because one, it doesn't really allow for back and forth, which is a requirement for this assignment, and two, it has a word limit and which does not meet the requirement for our discussion. um, so the other thing that I wanted to show you also is, okay, one more thing. Padlet gives you an embed code, so you can really embed it in any website. I used Padlet's embed code and I embedded here. Just to give you an idea how Padlet looks, this is Padlet.com, and Padlet gives you a lot of opportunities to change the look and feel of this discussion thread. So if I go in the settings, I can change the wallpaper. um, I can change the logo here. So I mean, there's a lot to play with on this tool. If you have a little bit of time, just give it a shot, give it a look.